All right, Keith, hot and humid, and it kind of feels like there's something in the air about some rain coming our way, huh?
Yeah. Is that a Phil Collins song? Is what you're thinking of?
Oh, would you sing it for us?
No.
A sample, please?
One of the few things that I am embarrassed doing is singing because I'm
Really?
just so bad at it. I don't even like doing it at karaoke. Like that's how self-conscious I am about it. But that's okay. Hey, hot today. Hot.
It's like
There's
slowly
not
coming out.
There's not
therapy
many
session.
things like that, but
If
that's
we
one
just
of them.
Wait here in silence. Eventually, he'll do it.
I'm not going to do it. I'll drum it, but that's it. 81 in Portland right now, 86 in Sanford, 89 in Freiburg. It was hot, it still is. The heat indices, I mean, it's almost 6 o'clock, sun setting at 7, and it still feels like 94 in Sanford, 90 in Lewiston, 95 in Waterville. That has a lot to do with our dew points, which are very, very high. We have some showers and some thunderstorms out there, a severe storm just across the northern part of New Hampshire that will scrape its way into northern Oxford County. So we'll see a couple of these over the next few hours. You can see, though, they're basically in the mountains and maybe a little bit of the foothills, but the rest of us are going to be dry through the rest of this late afternoon, early evening. Isolated chance for a shower storm off and on tonight. Again, most of the night is dry. Temperatures upper 60s, low 70s. And then tomorrow I do think is a cloudier day compared to the last few, especially in the morning, and there's some fog involved in that too. And then we burn that off and we get into the mid 80s. It's still sticky, it's still warm. Pop-up showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. Those will have a better chance over western Maine and central Maine, a lower chance over down east. Then we get into the weekend and there's a front draped across us, but it's not terrible. There's some sun here and there on Saturday, a couple of showers around, and then more plentiful showers starting Sunday afternoon and into Monday. So that looks a little bit wet Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and into Monday. Not a washout, but more showery before we clear out this humid air. Let's talk about Lee. Hurricane Lee now is a strong Category 3, winds of 130 miles an hour sustained. You can see it looks better on satellite. It's got a nice defined eye and eye wall. So we're talking about this because models continue to track it to the north and west and then put it somewhere west of Bermuda by late in the weekend. From there, no one really knows, but what we can say is the synoptic large-scale setup gives it an alley somewhere across the eastern seaboard potentially. So we've got Lee right down there, follow that ball. High pressure in place here, so it can't really curve back this way. And then there's another high dropping down in the Midwest, so it can't really go too far that way. So that gives it an alley. Now, is the alley here or is it here? That's what we can't tell you, but it's obviously going to be really important as we go forward. We're talking, ladies and gentlemen, late next week, probably next weekend. So it's a while away, and the forecast error at that distance is humongous. So we'll keep an eye on it, but I have yet to see, we talked about this yesterday a little, I've yet to see a trend in the setup of our atmosphere that makes me say it definitely isn't going to happen. I haven't seen that yet.
Oh, okay.
Can't wait at all.
Yeah.
So until that happens, we're just going to keep watching it.
I would imagine, regardless of the track it takes, there's going to be an impact on our oceans for anybody who works out on the water.
Yeah, I think we're looking at swells either way. It's just, is it going to be out to sea, or is it a direct situation for us?
Got it.
I know you'll keep us updated.
Yep.
All right, thanks, Keith.